Go ahead.
My man FRG is crazy.
What?
He's crazy.
Who?
FRG.
Why?
I don't know.
Wait. What are you doing? He's saying hello. Here he comes.
Yo, y'all heard the news?
What
happened?
Today I got caught.
What happened?
Today I got caught.
What happened?
Today I got caught.
What happened?
I was eating ants on the job. I was eating ants on the job. Chill.